What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 201 on season 1. And today we are getting into my year-end account review or recap. Woo! So this recap review will not be on just one specific account. It'll be on all of the accounts combined together. I do plan on doing a year-end review on each one of those accounts or investment accounts that I do have. I'm just waiting until the companies furnish the documents, the tax statements, so it'll make it a whole lot easier to add everything up, and so I'm not like going and having to click on a whole bunch of different pages to do it manually and type it into an Excel spreadsheet. I'll have it in an actual document that I can use from there. So I'm waiting on that. This update recap review will include everything from Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, Stash Retire, cryptocurrency, coinflash app, precious metals, certificate of deposit, and everything else that's under the sun that I have or hold in investments. So let's go ahead and look at the account or the screen. So over here, this is the actual total account that I have. This is my total assets of what I have. We're going to start in December of 2016, which close of that, actually we could do, well, that would be the beginning of the month, would be $2,569. So I guess we should actually have that set up there. Let's go ahead and put that one on there then. That was the close of December. No, I don't. No. Come on. You know how to do math. Anyways, there we go. Yeah, okay. So close of December to close of December. In total gross profits, I generated $2,256.51. Looking into the specific accounts, Acorns, I went from $830 all the way up to $2,000. I just broke $2,000 this month. Super stoked about that. That's a milestone right there if I've ever seen one. Dash, I went from $333 and I broke $1,000 last month, and then now I'm at $1,057. Later on in the year, around June, I opened up a Stash Retire account, and now it's sitting at $337. Robinhood went from $593.11 all the way up to $1,132.21. $1,132.21. You guys see that? From November to December? Like, what the heck? Like, what the heck? Sorry, I don't want to get, demonetized. Anyways, so yeah, That's crazy. Anyways, I'll dive into that on a different account. My certificate of deposit I had up until July, and then I dropped it in August. So all those monies went bye-bye. I went from basically $5,000 back down to about $4,000. Silver, I didn't go up much. I did about $100. Now I'm sitting at $351 because I gave an ounce away on the show. And then gold, I went from $148 in June to basically $300. Cryptocurrency, I went from $6 to $97. That's just including what I hold right now in crypto. That's not including like my mining contracts that pay out daily or my actual mining rig or anything like that. That's just what I hold at this moment. Total gross profit, like I said, $2,256.51 for a basically gross profit percentage of 74% or 75% basically increase on the account. However, what I did to calculate the net, real rough net calculation here is I took $200, which is what I deposit about a month, I figure. So times 12 and then minus that by the grand total. So I am in the hole about $23.49. So overall, I've done basically negative return. But that is, the reason for that has nothing to do with the actual growth of my accounts. It has more to do with the fact that I got rid of $1,300, almost $1,400 from my account in July. So not too bad of growth if you actually just disregard the certificate from my actual account, because if we actually just disregard the certificate from my actual account and we look at the sum, which would be without the certificate, I get basically $3,000 and almost $300 in total gross profit for $1,000 net gain with 33, almost 34 or 33.5%. So that's what I would like to see on my account. I don't know why I included the certificate in here, because besides the fact that it was an investment at the time, until I realized that I didn't want to use that anymore. And obviously, as you can tell, like the growth of my account, even after I dropped it, has been pretty substantial. So looking forward into the new year, I would definitely like to see that $5,274 start to even compound even harder, and I would like to see it It would be nice to see it. This year, we would have seen it double probably around in September. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 months of double. So I'd like to see this probably double in like 6 months or so. I mean, honestly, I would be happy if I doubled it again going into the new year. So if I was sitting at 10,000, wrapping up in December of next year, that would be ecstatic. I would be substantially excited, in other words. But anyways, that is pretty much my overall account. The numbers don't lie. That's my strategy in a nutshell. That's everything you see. The only problem that I see with that is that I did drop that certificate of deposit. I should have, at that time when I dropped it, invested in Bitcoin, and then I would have an entire completely different account looking at it. But anyways, I did not, and I have my reasons for that. But let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is, would you like to be a big celebrity? I think it would be fun. I think it would be fun for a day, maybe a day or two. I don't see myself being like this huge outspoken celebrity. I would probably be similar to a low-key person who's just like, yeah, like this is kind of what I do, but I'm not out in the public like all the time or whatever it may be. That's my personal opinion. However, somebody has compared me to Jimmy Fallon. Jimmy Fallon, he said, you got a personality that's like similar to Jimmy Fallon, and I think it's like super attractive and blah, 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 so on and so forth. It buttered me up, and I was like, oh, cool. Like, I didn't even realize that. Like, thanks. Like, I'll have to just definitely try to consume more of his content and see exactly what I do that is similar to Jimmy Fallon, or maybe it's just like personality or whatever, or charisma or whatever it is. Anyways, I guess that leaves it there. Like I always say, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below, and I will try to get them on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe up here in this corner and check out my episode 199. I don't know what video that is, but check out this other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.